Let's get to our news headlines this hour. Thousands of people had their power shut off over the weekend as part of a public safety measure by Xcel. The outages aim to reduce the risk of wildfire danger during high wind events. 9 News reporter Shalima Maharaj is covering the story for us this morning. So Shalima, we know most people are waking up with their power back on this morning.
That's right, Drew. In fact, these outages ended up going into effect around 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday. And we are talking about areas where there were weather and environmental factors that ended up meeting the criteria for a PSPS, otherwise known as a public safety power shutoff. And they were really expecting around 18,000 customers to be affected by this. The major concern, of course, like you mentioned, is those power lines eventually striking or sparking a fire. But for some residents, it's been especially frustrating. They said that they've gone through this multiple times and they don't think that this should be the first and foremost approach to mitigating danger.
If they're not going to be able to provide this essential service, I think Xcel Energy should go ahead and start supporting people at obtaining solar service as well as a battery backup. Helping families, have electricity during these outages.
Now, Xcel says they understand that people get extremely frustrated when they are without their power for any amount of time. They do say there are a number of factors that they take into consideration when deciding to put a PSPS in place. And some of the key factors that they list include low relative humidity, high winds, as well as dry ground conditions. And they say on that day, on Saturday, all three of those conditions were present. Shalima Maharaj, 9 News.